Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make wallpaper clear on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now if you want to make the background of your wallpaper to be cleared, unlike this one, what you need to do is swipe down the control center from the top left to go to your lock screen. Press and hold the lock screen. Then delete the existing wallpaper. Click on the plus button. Now go ahead and then select your photo or the wallpaper you want to use. So just scroll through and then select it. Once you selected it, then you should have it like this. Click on Add at top right, then click on Customize Home Screen. Here you can see my wallpaper background is not clear. Now to make it clear, just click on Blur once and it's going to make the background clear. Click on Done at top right, then select the wallpaper. Now go to your home screen. This is what you're going to have. Instead of you to have a blur wallpaper, then you're going to have a clear wallpaper in the background. And that's that. So that's exactly how to make wallpaper clear on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.